Hello guys, Chetna here from Me with a Pencil, and today I'll teach you how to make a gouache ink for calligraphy. So it's really simple and fun to make and very easy. So let's start. So materials that we need to make a gouache for calligraphy is gouache paints. I'm using Winsor and Newton. You can use any gouache tube paints, empty jar of bottle to mix the color, and some water, a toothpick or a paintbrush. I'm using a very old paintbrush that I use for my color mixing and all, and a dropper. So these are few things that we need. So let's begin. So first thing, take a jar. I'm using a red Winsor Newton gouache and pour some in some gouache, how much ever you like. So I'm using a Winsor Newton primary red. You can use any brand gouache. I'm going to take some water with this dropper. I'm going to stir it using a brush, or you can use anything. As you can see, the ink is ready and I'm easily able to write it. The ink is flowing very easily through my nib. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the materials that I've used is in the caption below. Thank you for watching. If do like, subscribe to our channel. See you next week. Thank you.